Hey guys, how are you? One of the best ways to learn English is talking about everyday things. So that in today's video you are going to learn a recipe for the winter, Kabocha soup. Easy to make, you'll just need a few ingredients. 1 Kabocha squash and some condiments, such as saffron, smoke powder, salt, paprika, green onions and garlic. Trust me, all these ingredients are a great combination. After gathering everything you need, it's time to start cooking. Grab a sharp knife and cut the squash in half. Remove the seeds. My advice, save the squash seeds. They are great to enhance salads when toasted. Peel the squash halves, and while you cut into small pieces, you can enjoy the cooking time to listen to your favorite song. Now, cut or chop the onions. For this recipe, I used 5 of them. No frills. Watch out, the word frill means a strip of fabric adding a dress to decorate it. But here, I mean only the essentials. No extra features. So, put the onions and the squash pieces into a pressure cooker. Fill it with water. And then, place the pan on the cooker and keep it on fire for 40 minutes. Meanwhile, you can chop the green onions and separate them for later. Now that the soup is cooked, it's when the magic happens. Check if the squash is soft and then take everything out of the pan and put into the blender. Time to add the other condiments you had separated, such as salt, saffron, spice paprika, and smoke powder. You better put them now so they mix perfectly. Otherwise, they might end up clumping and it's going to take a while to dissolve them. Mix well until it gets creamy and it's almost ready. Now fry the garlic and onion to improve their taste. It's important to season it well because the squash is a little bit sweet. And once everything is done, pour the mash into the pan and let it boil just a little to harmonize all the ingredients. And while you watch it boiling, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share with your friends. Why wouldn't you? Now, sprinkle a little freshly grated black pepper and the green onions on it. Voila! You've got a perfect dinner choice for the coldest season. And if you like red wine, they go really well together. Enjoy it, guys, and until next time, see you!